These are the elevators at the Winchester in North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These were originally Westinghouse, but were sadly recently modernized by Industrial, Commercial, or Hatfield with Innovation Universal. That one's going down from 8. Yeah, this looks like a recent model. This is disappointing. Ground, wraparound braille and no label on the buttons. Interesting. Here you go down. I don't know, ooh, smooth. Here, ground. The white tells me Industrial, Commercial. The chime tells me Hatfield. Opens directly in the garage. Hold up to 9. Interior go up. Yeah, I think these were Westinghouse. This is that ugly dark green building on Neville, if you're wondering where this is. Here at 9. Go back down to the lobby. MCE, 88 Fixtures, Innovation Universal. The basic cabs, these are probably original from before modernization. Yeah, the chime tells me Hatfield, the white tells me Industrial, Commercial. And the way the buttons are flush.